Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the slope direction line indicator for MT4 and MT5. This trend tool changes color when the slope direction shifts from bullish to bearish or vice versa, helping traders identify trend reversals early and ride momentum waves. In this video, you will see how the indicator works, how color changes signal trend shifts, and which trading rules are described. The slope direction line or SDL indicator is a powerful technical tool that provides clear signals for Forex trading by identifying trend reversals early using a color-changing moving average line. At its core, the SDL indicator relies on a moving average line that changes color based on slope direction, with blue indicating a bullish trend when the slope tilts upward and red signaling a bearish turn when the slope heads south. The indicator is used by various expert advisors and can be applied across intraday, daily, weekly, and monthly charts by adjusting the periods to match trading style. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, we'll just allow DLL imports. Just like that, we have it installed on the charts. And on the charts, the slope direction line appears as a moving average line of a lead on price, with color changes providing instant visual cues for trend direction. When the slope changes to blue, as we have over here, traders can consider long positions. And when it turns red, as we have over here, short positions become favorable. If the line maintains its color, the trend persists, signaling traders to stay in the game and maximize profits through trend continuation. As for the settings, let's take a look. Input parameters include the period, with 80 as a common default for subsequent moving average calculations. The method setting determines the averaging method, which can be SMA, EMA, SMMA, or LWMA, and price selects which price type to use, such as close, open, high, low, median, typical, or weighted. Traders can adjust the periods to match their trading style and time frame, with the indicator working effectively on lower time frames like M1 and M5 for scalping strategies. That's the 1 minute and 5 minutes. As for who is for, the slope direction line indicator is suitable for traders who want a visual compass for trend direction and timing entries as slope color changes, and it shines brightest on lower time frames for scalping aficionados. For buy entries, the condition is when the SDL indicator slope turns blue with a long position opened and a stop loss set below the recent swing low, while sell entries occur when the slope turns red with stop loss above the recent swing high. However, it is a trend following tool based on moving averages, so it can lag during rapid reversals and may produce whipsaws in choppy markets, requiring confirmation with other tools and proper risk-reward ratios. You can download the slope direction line indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview highlights how the color-changing slope line acts as a traffic light for trades, signaling trend direction and reversal timing visually. If you like color-coded trend indicators, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.